Hey guys, welcome back everybody. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today in this video we are going to discuss one important topic of SD-WAN, which you can use to extend your WAN connection. And topic name is TLOC extension. So let's understand why to use TLOC extension, where to use it, and how to use it, how to configure it, how to implement TLOC extension in the network. First of all, try to understand why we need TLOC extension. Automatically you will understand where we should implement it. Okay, so see guys, this is my scenario here. This is one side, maybe let's say branch 1 or side 1 or headquarter or remote side or data center, and this is another side, let's say side 2, right, or branch 1 branch 2. The difference between these branches is, here you can see inside one or in branch 1 I have two managed devices and two transportation, but inside 2 I have two WAN circuit but one managed devices. Here I have two WAN circuit but I have only one WAN edge device. So here I don't have any redundancy for WAN edge device, but I have redundancy for WAN circuit, right? Inside one I have redundancy for both transport WAN circuit as well as WAN edge devices. These WAN edge devices can be VAs or CAs, Viptela is or Cisco is. Now here inside one, maybe this side in the LAN side, in service side I have one router or switch connected with both WAN edge devices, right? So user can forward traffic to other side, let's say side 2. This is side 2, and if user need to send some traffic inside 2 from side 1, they can send traffic through both WAN edge devices, through WAN edge 1 and WAN edge 2. But guys, on WAN edge 1 I have connectivity to internet only, to one WAN circuit only, right? I have not connectivity to MPLS, right, to other circuit. So if internet will goes down, if this WAN circuit will goes down, what will happen here? Now I don't have any redundancy again, right? Now there is only one way to forward traffic, right? WAN is 2 can access the controllers, can reach to controller via MPLS, or can reach to other side via MPLS only, correct? User can forward traffic to other side via WAN is 2 only, right, via MPLS only. So for the redundancy, what we can do here, we can connect WAN is 1 to MPLS and WAN is 2 to internet, correct? Now if the internet will goes down, still user can forward traffic from both WAN edge devices, right? Because now both WAN edge devices are connected with MPLS as well as both WAN edge devices are connected with internet. But guys, this design can increase the cost. Definitely it will increase the cost, and some company cannot afford it, right? For an example, for my company, cost is the priority, so I cannot afford these extra links. Then how to extend the WAN? How to connect WAN edge device 1 to MPLS? Yes, here TLOC extension comes in picture. What you can do, you can connect WAN edge 1 to MPLS, not like this, right? Via WAN edge 2, means from the service side we can connect WAN edge 1 to MPLS and WAN edge 2 to internet from the service side. That particular thing is called TLOC extension, right? Here what we can do, we can add one Ethernet link and we can extend the internet connection to WAN edge 2, and one more Ethernet link to extend MPLS from WAN edge 2 to WAN edge 1. In this case we don't need to pay for WAN circuit, for extra WAN circuit, but now my both WAN edge devices are connected with both the transportation, right? We can not configure TLOC extension in side 2 because in side 2 I have only one WAN edge device. I don't have any redundancy for WAN edge. for WAN device. But inside one, when we have more than one WAN devices in one side, we can use TLOC extension to extend the WAN circuit. So if you can note here the increasing cost of WAN links, you can use TLOC extension, right? By adding normal Ethernet link here between WAN 1 and WAN 2. Now if internet is down, and if user want to forward traffic to side 2, right, so they can forward traffic to WAN 1, and WAN 1 can forward it to MPLS, then MPLS will forward it to other side, or it can forward to WAN 2, WAN 2 can also forward to MPLS, MPLS can forward it to other sites. So now my both WAN devices are connected with both the transportation. For redundancy, for load balancing, you can set up these types of scenario. So what can be the definition of TLOC extension for the interview, guys? So you can say it is TLOC extension is a feature that allow two WAN edge devices, two WAN edge routers at same side to share transport connection, or you can say to share WAN connection, transport connection or WAN connection, which can be internet or MPLS. Okay, hope it is clear now what is TLOC extension. I am going to show you the implementation also, don't worry. Okay, if you don't know what is TLOC, so guys, TLOC stands for transport locator, right? It is like an address which identify the WAN connection, like the internet or MPLS. That particular thing is called TLOC, like your next hop IP address. Okay, so each TLOC is associated with color, system IP and encapsulation, right? For an example here, my TLOC can be combination of system IP, let's say 1.1.1.1 plus color, internet, biz internet for an example, internet plus encapsulation protocol, it can be IPsec or GRE, right? In the same way, I will have TLOC of WAN 2 for the MPLS, right? The difference in the TLOC of WAN 2 over MPLS is going to be what? It is going to be system IP, maybe 2.2.2, 2.2.2.2. Color is going to be MPLS. Color I am going to set here MPLS, and encapsulation protocol is same. So you can see both TLOC are unique. Both TLOCs are unique. So TLOC extension means extending the TLOC, right? So we are going to extend this TLOC of WAN 1 to WAN 2 and TLOC of WAN 2 to WAN 1. This particular thing is called TLOC extension, right? Generally, router uses only its own physical interfaces for WAN connection, like WAN 1 is using this connection, this physical interface for WAN connection, and WAN 2 is using this physical interface for WAN connection. But with the help of TLOC extension, what we can achieve, we can extend the WAN connection. One router can share its WAN connection to other router, right? Like in this scenario, WAN 1 is going to share internet connection to WAN 2, and WAN 2 is going to share MPLS connection to WAN 1, right? And with the help of this feature, we can create high availability, we can achieve load balancing, we can improve the redundancy and performance here. Got it? Hope it is clear now. And here between WAN edge devices we can use normal Ethernet link. Ethernet link. Now logically my both WAN edge devices are connected with both transportation, and I am not paying to any service provider for the WAN edge link. Clear? Now let me show you how to configure it. So see guys, here this is my topology, and between WAN edge 1 and WAN edge 2 in branch 1. In branch 1 I have two WAN edge devices, WAN edge 1, WAN edge 2. I have added one link which is G0/3 and G0/3 over here, right? By the way, in my scenario both WAN edge devices are connected with both the transportation, but here I have removed the Ethernet, like this link, internet link, and on WAN edge 2 I have removed the MPLS link. So if I will talk about the connectivity, here I have MPLS link on VS1, and on VS2 I have MPLS link. I have removed this link from VPN 0. I have removed this link from VPN 0. So you can verify like control connection on VS1. If you will check, so control connection, you will see the WAN is 1 have control connection over MPLS only, and WAN is 2 will have control connection over internet only. Let me show you. Here I have access of WAN edge devices. Let me log in, admin and admin. So I am on branch 1 VS1. Here I am going to run command show control connection. So control connection. So you can see I have control connection over MPLS only. MPLS and MPLS. Right? The reason is so run VPN 0. So run VPN 0. So in VPN 0 you can see I have only one interface which is 0/1, which is connected to MPLS. Done. And on WAN is 2 admin and admin. So control connection. So control connection. Here I have control connection over biz internet, over internet only. I don't have any control connection over MPLS here, right? The reason I have only one interface in VPN 0. So run VPN 0. In VPN 0 you can see I have only one interface which is G0/0, G0/0, which is connected with internet, right? Now I am going to add this link in VPN 0. This link in VPN 0. See the configuration. If I will talk about the configuration, so first step is, guys, what? First step is configure this interface in VPN 0, assign this interface in VPN 0, then configure IP address there, IP address, and here also on WAN edge 2 also put this interface in VPN 0 and configure IP address. Then these two WAN edge devices can communicate with each other over this link, newly added link, and then we can tell to branch 1 VS1 that just extend this TLOC of this interface from this particular interface, and after that I can tell to branch 2 that, bro, someone is going to send you TLOC extension request, so just accept it. Just accept it. Means here on this interface we are going to configure this interface as external interface, we are going to allow some services, and then we are going to like define the color encapsulation protocol. That's it, right? Other requirement is make sure here you are extending MPLS link from WAN edge 1 to WAN edge 2. So WAN edge 2 should be able to access these controllers through this link, means via branch 1, right? So here my subnet is this one, so this subnet must be reachable from VH2 through this interface via 0/3 interface. So let me show you the reachability first. Here I am going to run on branch 1 VH2. On VH2 I am going to run command show IP route, let's say VPN 0 and 100.1.1.0. So now you can see this network is not in table, even sorry, VPN 0, and in VPN 0 you can see 100.1.1.0 is available, right? Because I think already configured this link 0/3 link. 0/3 link is already configured, so run VPN 0. In VPN 0, 0/0 is there, 0/3 is not configured, so this route is not valid. So IP route VPN 0, yeah, this one is, you can see, not installed here, not installed, it's invalid. IP inactive, this is inactive route. So now this subnet is not reachable from vanish 2 because guys I have not configured this link between branch 1 and branch 2 till now. Let's configure this link. Let me take you to branch 1 VS1 first, and on VS1 go to VPN 0, then say interface G0/3, say no shutdown, and IP address. Here I am going to use any subnet, let's say 20.1.1/24, and commit. Done. Then let me take you to VH2. On VH2 again config T, VPN 0, and then interface G0/3, say no shutdown, and IP address 20.1.1.2/24, and let's commit it. Commit. Now I can try to ping 20.1.1.1 VH1, and you can see there is reachability. I am able to ping VH1. Now if you will check same route, so IP route VPN 0. So in VPN 0 now this subnet is, you can see, installed 100.1.1.0. So now I can ping to my controller, ping 100.1.1.1. I am able to ping my vManage. I'm able to ping my vManage. Okay, now again one thing. From which interface I am pinging to vManage? From G0/3 or from G0/0, which is connected to internet. So you can define the source here. Source 20.1.1.2. And you can see reachability is there. Means you are able to ping from 20.2 also, means from 0/3 also. And source here I can define 101.1.3.1. From 0/0 also it's reachable. Means from both sides now my controllers are reachable. Now we can extend the TLOC. This is the requirement only. Now let's extend the TLOC. Guys, to extend the TLOC, first of all I am going to tell to branch 1 to extend the TLOC. So on 0/3 interface I am going to run command TLOC extension, and then which interface you want to extend. So 0/1 is connected with MPLS, so I am saying GE0/1. That's it, and let's commit it. Now go to vanish 2 until here. So control connection. So control connection. I have control connection over internet only, right? After configuring this 0/3 as a tunnel interface, I will have control connection over MPLS as well. Config T, and then say VPN 0, then interface G0/3. I'm going to say tunnel interface, allow service all, allow service netconf. If you want to allow service SSH, you can ignore it also for now. And then color. Color here I am going to configure MPLS. Internet is already there. MPLS and restrict. I'm using restrict keyword so that it will not try to establish tunnel with internet, with this internet color. And then encapsulation. Encapsulation I am going to say IPsec, and let's commit it. Commit. After the commit, do show control connection. So control connection. Now you can see we have control connection over both transport, internet and MPLS. Here is my vsmart 2.2.2, right? This is control connection over MPLS, and this is control connection over busy internet, right? With vmanage, wait for some time. See, got it, guys? So this way we can extend the TLOC, and this particular thing is called TLOC extension. Hope it's clear to you. Now if you have any question, query, concern, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I will make one more video on this. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please hit on like button. If you are new on the channel, if you have not subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.